Okay, welcome back, dear students, to session number 12 of BA Final Year Basic English for Rani Chennamma University. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about the news report. Here in this session, we come to know or we learn introduction of the news report, why to write the news report, what to write in a news report, and qualities of a good news report or project report. Then a news report is a fact of a story that is currently happening or that just happened. It is writing about a news or the news report is easy if you report on the subject clearly and write in a style that is clear, concise, and active. One should gather the answers to the 5 W's and 1 H questions: what, where, when, who, how, while writing about an event or something that happened. While collecting enough information, the purpose of a news report is to help the readers get a true information about the event rather than fictional. Before you write report, you should have as many facts as you can gather so that your report should be a factful. Then, while writing or while starting the report, for a news report, the most important information comes first, and each paragraph gives less and less details, and which is the less informative. Then you have to add in a last part of that. Then it can be easily understand by the inverted pyramid. It refers to the front loading of a news report article so that a reader receives the most important information first or on top. The report then proceeds with explanatory and supporting details in the order of most to least important. Through this picture, you come to know that the most important information should be on the top of that, or which includes the much information, and the least important information or news is at the last part of your report, and which has very concise. It means that you should not focus much on least informative news reports rather than as you focus on the more important informative newses. Then steps to write the news report. First, headline. The headline should be begin with a catchy headline so that it attracts the readers to make them to read whole the message. A headline should be short and grab the attention of readers, making them read more. Then the paragraph. The paragraph informs the reader of the most important aspects of the story as soon as possible. It should not drag that. It should not be a suspensive. The lead paragraph is often the only part of the story that people read. Sentence should be short and punchy and use the 5 W's rules, that is, what, where, who, when, and how this happens. Now, what does these 5 W's and 1 H rule? What means the specific event that took about, what the information you are going to give. Then who, the people involved, who are the people involved in that action, in that incident, or where the incident happened, okay, where the project is taken on, etc. When, the time and date. Then why, reason about the incident that is going to be or that happened. Then last, how means the connecting the facts which are related to that incident. You can add here. Once you have all your facts, you can begin to write your report. Without this, you could not be give a factful report. Now, in the body of the news report gives the more details and provides more information about the why and how of the story. Now, the last part of the report, that is the tail of the report, the tail contains the less important information which is often omitted by the newspaper editor if there is not enough space left in the newspaper. Then hints to write a news report. Your news report should be easy to understand, every news story should be able to read by a 12-year-old. It means it was so easy that a 12-year-old boy can understand it. Try to be fair without any slanting. And characteristics of a good news report. The news report should be an accuracy, fairness, there is no slanting, okay, there is no partiality, and attribution, free of the grammatical errors. The fairness should be there. What you are going to be, it should be in a clear way. And brevity, whatever you want to write with the brave. Candidness should be there, and clarity. Here we came to know in this session that we studied the steps to write the news report and the characteristics of a good report. Thank you, dear students.